healthy and delicious smoothies recipe. Today we have some more delicious and healthy smoothie recipes for you to enjoy. Green mango spinach smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or frozen mango chunks, 1 cup spinach leaves, 1/2 cup cucumber chopped, 1/2 lime juiced, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup coconut water. Combine mango chunks, spinach, cucumber, lime juice, chia seeds, and coconut water in a blender. Pour into a glass and relish the refreshing taste of this green mango smoothie. Blueberry almond butter smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1 banana, 2 tablespoons almond butter, 1 cup Greek yogurt, or any preferred yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. Blend blueberries, banana, almond butter, Greek yogurt, honey, and cinnamon until well combined. Pour into a glass and enjoy the delightful blend of blueberries and almond butter. Avocado kale power smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 avocado, peeled and pitted, 1 cup kale leaves, stems removed, 1/2 apple, cored and chopped, 1/2 cup pineapple chunks, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 cup almond milk, or any preferred milk. In a blender, combine avocado, kale, apple, pineapple, flax seeds, and almond milk. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and relish the nutrient-rich goodness of this avocado kale power smoothie. Berry green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup spinach leaves, 1/2 cucumber, peeled and sliced, 1 cup almond milk, or any preferred milk, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Combine berries, banana, spinach, cucumber, almond milk, and chia seeds in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass and enjoy this antioxidant-rich green smoothie. Tropical turmeric smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup pineapple chunks, 1/2 mango, peeled and diced, 1 small orange, peeled, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 cup coconut water. In a blender, combine pineapple, mango, orange, turmeric powder, flax seeds, and coconut water. Pour into a glass and savor the tropical flavors with the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric. Peanut butter banana protein smoothie. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, or any preferred milk, 1 tablespoon honey, optional. Place banana, peanut butter, protein powder, almond milk, and honey, if using, in a blender. Blend until smooth and creamy. Pour into a glass for a delicious and protein-packed smoothie. These smoothies are not only tasty but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support your overall health and well-being.